What does? Well, it looks better though. It's like a skinny phone. What are we about to do?
Car wash.
We're gonna put it on YouTube?
I suppose.
Think anyone will watch it?
I hope not.
Look at this guy. All right, let's see if Adele can navigate. Is that the right word?
It's very stressful. Don't record me doing that.
Come on, bud. I'm gonna stand up to the sunroof and do it. Hey, I'm allowed to post half-hour-long movies now.
Half hour, you say?
Mm-hmm.
How can I go? This guy is still
Go.
there. Really?
Whoa.
Where's my receipt? Okay, here goes.
The purple stuff. I'm on the purple stuff big time. My tongue purple?
I can't see.
Uh-oh.
Am I okay?
Looks good to me. Looks like you gotta go left a bit.
Yeah, I gotta go left. There we go.
There you go.
Oh, like a glove. Just so everybody knows, I just got a basic.
Only the basic?
Yeah.
I always get the. I've never gotten a basic before.
Friggin' thing is $8.
Middle of summer, there's a candy cane there. $8 for a basic wash?
For a basic wash.
Why didn't you go something more advanced?
Because I'm not going to spend $12.
What if it rains tomorrow?
Well, then I'm glad I didn't spend $12.
Do they have a rainy day thing? They used to.
Probably not.
Like, that can't be good for your automobile, is it? So we're not going to get to see the pink stuff.
We're not?
I don't know. You only get the basic. Look at those tubes. The tubes of pink stuff. Oh, there it goes. Oh, yeah. Duck shit. That's what the duck shit looks like. Pissing all over me. Wow!
It's actually a little bit like my car always gets funny.
That's what I'm saying. It's a stressful thing. Why are car washes so stressful? If you came in here on the Jasmine, that's friggin' scary too, that thing.
What's that thing?
This. Your antler there.
Yes.
Oh my god, I felt it move the car there.
Top of my beard.
Oh, that's what it did. Here, I'll fix
Yeah,
it.
you guys best do that right
I'll
away.
fix it right now. Fucking meathead. I almost did. This is the best part. The basics.
I'm cheap.
No, I wish I filmed it saying the basics. Okay, back up. It said wait and go. Which one does it want? Uh-oh, we're gonna get in trouble. This guy's not gonna let us.
That's why he's standing.
That was scary. That guy there was scary. They were telling us to go and not go.
Telling us to go and not go.
I didn't know what to do. I was just gonna stay. Slushy. It was too close, but I don't want to zoom in.
What's close? My face?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you want to fix my mirror before I start driving. Oh, now I'm going to have streakies on my window.
There's no streakies yet. $1.28. I paid $1.20 for diesel today. $1.20. All right. That's the. We'll get some outside footage when we get home. And we're on.
It's just because I wiped down the table, so I wanted it to dry. I don't have water.
I got a bunch of pictures of them.
Some video I heard.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm not camera ready.
Oh, fine.